Melodymilo friends! Welcome to Melodymilo Kids! Let's go!
Here comes a bus! Here comes a bus, big and yellow, rolling slowly, nice and mellow. Wave hello as it goes by. Beep, 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 let's all say hi. Red, blue, yellow, green, the brightest colors we've ever seen. Orange, purple, white and brown, colorful vehicles all around. A red fire truck, loud and bright, helping people day and night. Wee woo, hear the sound, racing safely through the town. A blue police car drives along, keeping everyone safe and strong. Flash, flash, the lights shine high, watching carefully as it goes by. Red, blue, yellow, green, the brightest colors we've ever seen. Orange, purple, white and brown, colorful vehicles all around. A green garbage truck, big and tall, cleaning streets for one and all. Lift it up and tip it down, keeping clean our happy town. An orange school bus stops with care, friends climb in from everywhere. Smiles and laughter fill the way, off to school to learn and play. A white ambulance, fast but kind, helping people every time. Nina, Nina, hear it go, bringing care wherever they go. A purple 11-lay van, bringing packages just as planned. Knock, knock, here's your surprise, happy smiles and joyful eyes. Can you spot the colors now? Point to each one, show us how.